Hello guys, in this video we will discuss how to make a study plan. The question is why making a study plan is necessary. Because most of the times the students want to study but they could not. They want to complete the syllabus or prepare for a test or exam but they are unable to do so. In fact, time is precious. Take care of it so it will take care of you. Once Larry Elder said, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." So this video is for those who are unable to manage the time. It is for those who work from 9 to 5 daily. So here is the plan. Here is the study plan over which you can construct a building of your knowledge. This is the example. This can be for a week or this can be for the whole month. Here you can see 4 columns. In the first column, write about the time. In the second column, write about your subject. In the third column, write about your topics. And in the fourth column, write about the sources that you want to go through. In the similar fashion, you can make your own study plan. So this study plan can be very productive for you, for the students or for the aspirants. Then reserve a day in a week for revision so that your concepts will get clearer and stronger. Then take a day off for refreshment and recreational activities. Go play football with your friends or go play cricket or go out partying with your friends on weekends. So what are the benefits of study plans? Definitely it will increase your knowledge, as planned preparation will lead you to execution of your plans. You will get to know about your strengths and weaknesses. So this is it guys. Thank you. Let me know in the comment section whether it is productive or not. And please consider subscribing this channel.